Apple has baked in AI or Apple Intelligence into their iPhone. However, it is an optional feature. You can always choose to turn it off and disable AI on your iPhone if you don't want it anywhere on there. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. First, just scroll down and tap on Notifications midway down. And then scroll down to Apple Intelligence, prioritize notifications and summarize notifications. Let's go to both of these and just toggle them off so that AI isn't being involved in your notifications for text messages, calls, etc. Next, let's hit the back arrow at the top left. Tap on Search at the bottom and search for Mail. And tap on the Mail app at the top. From here, scroll down and turn off Summarize Message Previews. This uses AI to basically summarize all of the emails that you get. Next, let's tap the back arrow. Tap on Search at the bottom and search for Safari. And tap on the Safari app. From here, we're going to do a couple things. At the top, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure to turn off Learn from this app as well as suggestions on all of these. Next, we're going to tap the back arrow and then scroll down, and you can choose whether to turn off search engine suggestions and Safari suggestions if you didn't want it to suggest any websites that you should visit down the road. After we've done that, let's tap the back arrow again. Let's get out of the search here and tap the back arrow. And again, get out of the search until we get to the beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, scroll down, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom and tap on iOS, you'll be able to see Apple Intelligence still takes up almost 7.5 gigabytes worth of data on my phone. However, you can choose to delete that and completely get rid of it. To do that, tap on the back arrow at the top left, tap on it again, tap on it yet again, and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Next, toggle off Apple Intelligence at the top and turn off Apple Intelligence. You'll be able to see it is disabled, but if you check your storage on your iPhone, it won't immediately be deleted. This does take about 24 hours and usually happens when you plug in your phone at night when it's charging. It will delete all of the Apple Intelligence data that is now stored on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.